Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I don't know what part this is, but anyway, this game is pretty long, it's pretty chaotic, it's pretty everything. So last episode, we did like a whole pirate thing majiggy. So anyway, I'm pretty excited to see where this game goes, but seeing as we're standing here, we should go to another planet. So anyway, I don't know where we're gonna go next, but here we go. No time wasting, bro. No time wasting. Okay, so we're done there. We're going back here. Regroup. Okay. We're starting like that. Back to the arena. Again. Oh.
And now for a message from your emperor.
My people, I did it. At long last. The pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken. And this galaxy is finally mine! That's it. Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment? Why don't I feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
What could you possibly know about success, you... That's it. I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered.
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map.
A map. The dimensional map.
In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
So we're not going to Zagasso. We're going to Savali now. Okay. Okay.
No way. It must be nefarious. The archives held the dimensional map, correct?
Yeah, Rivet. Kit. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the archives. We're gonna check inside. See if he got the map.
The archives have been destroyed? Where is Gary?
I'm not sure.
Let me know when you find something you like.
We don't need anything for real. Maybe some upgrades here and there for stuff. The warm wanger. I like this, bruh. It's very powerful. Like, yo. It's very powerful, babe. We do this. Here we go.
Oh, my stars! That is a good one!
Nefarious forces ahead.
Anyway, just let's ignore that. I wanted to see what's here.
Well, it doesn't look that impossible.
6. Okay, let's go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got it. Got it. Ooh. Ooh. I was wondering what I'm gonna do because they can't leave me just flying in the middle of nowhere. Yes, they did. But anyway, we made it. Here we go. What do we get now?
And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
Okay. Yeet. Okay, right there we must go now. Okay, let's go. Yo. Yo. Almost. Bad guys again. I can just hit him with my ammo. It's fine. Hi.
Soon we will weed out the resistance.
What am I damn boy? Oh, they paying no attention to me. I'm just here. You know? You know? They paid no attention to me, bro.
The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've
What
got
is this?
Bone Goons?
Bone Goons.
Bone
Of
goons.
course we do.
If I say what I think.
Alright.
Okay, I don't think I can fight it with my ammo, bro. I thought I could fight it with my ammo, I can't.
I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. That rift will take us inside. Come on.
Any health? Nope, I'm dead. I'm dead, boo.
We need to use that rift to get inside of the archives. Oh no. Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural
Okay.
norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level. Let's hope the map's there.
This looks crazy, bruh.
How did you get here?
Your security's terrible.
Flagship. Progress report.
Oh, your greatness. Apologies. The army of undead has hampered our progress.
I warned you overusing that Dimensionator would cause problems.
Problems? Never. This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket, right?
We must scour the remaining
Yeah, maar gonna fight all that means.
Think of the
They literally
treasures
training,
within.
bruh.
Weapons of
They
unnatural
training.
power. Lost episodes legendary.
Those baubles are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Pretty useful.
Has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
Out of my damn way. Out of my damn way. Out of my damn way. Ah, it is again this
I
man.
was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never. For the Emperor.
It's again this man. Let me freeze him. How easy. Okay, he's dead. Just like that. Say less. Say less. My hands are up. Say less.
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Please, no more puzzles.
I hope you'd
Please,
find
no
me.
more puzzles.
Sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet,
Good news and bad news.
This is good. I'm not gonna lie. This is good.
Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks.
Okay. Don't know what it means. But let's go.
The ring, it is working.
One of the pressure plates.
I think it's turning on. Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy
Okay.
unknown friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds that they make.
Okay, so where's the other one?
Let's go, Gary.
Good idea.
Meet you guys in
Out
the
of a damn way. Where's the other one?
Oh, if I had nightmares, bone goons would make a regular appearance.
Okay, there's the other one. Right over there is 4, bruh. They expect me to go for something for... Out of a damn way, man. I just dodged him. They can't do me nothing, I just dodged him. Let's go, we're almost there, yo. There we are. Oh, damn, okay, okay. I saw I could rift. Here we go. Do it. Oh my days. I want to go up top.
Rather
Oh.
painful.
Here you go. I thought these were goons. It's a literal skeleton still, man, bro. Here we go. Come, come, come. Here we go. Another one is up top. Here we go.
That's another turned on. Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Here we go.
Only one remaining.
Only one.
I thought you said this was the way out. It appears
Right
to
over
be
there.
the
Let's
lower
go.
engine room. The layout of this ship is odd. Wouldn't it kill Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign?
Okay, they guarding this thing, bruh. Hey, guarding this thing. Damn. I want all of them to come to me, man, so that I can bomb them all at once. Go.
We did it!
I did it.
Here we come.
I did it. Let's go.
Thought I'd say
Let's
that.
go. Let's go.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh?
Let me just get some boxes to kill. For some bullets. Because I don't have bullets, bruh. Okay, that's fine. Is that the catacombs? Are we gonna head down there safely? Probably that way. Well, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I am ready when you are.
All right. let's get down into the catacombs. Oh man, that door's console is infected with viruses. I bet Glitch can help us see what's inside though.
Glitch is my worst enemy. Yo. Swear almost every episode we have to do some sort of glitch. Every time. Anyways, wait. Our boxes first. Here we go. Give me some maxes, baby.
What happened here?
Okay, so this virus thing, it just looks more ugly.
We're so glad you could make it to our little slice of home.
Okay.
Let's give you a nice warm welcome.
Here we go!
I need my pulse charge. I'll need it. Here we go. Okay, this one seems more hard. I'm not gonna lie. It seems more harder. Oh, we finally completed all the viruses, bruh. Yo, didn't we? Bruh, that was all the viruses that showed on top. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go again.
There it is. Master virus.
Oh, you don't like what you see?
I don't care what you say. You are getting deleted now.
Putting on a brave face? That won't last long. Oh, aren't we lucky tonight?
It's not luck, it's skill. You bloated stack of space barf.
The farther you go with this, the more it'll hurt when you fail.
Guess I better not fail then.
As long as dimensions keep breaking open, we'll keep coming through. You'll never be rid of us.
Bring it on! Coming through!
No!
We got it, guys. This is the master virus. Here we go. We completed it. We killed the master virus.
I saw them! Really, actually stop them! Yesterday I was just deleting old files, and today...
That was a lot. That was a lot.
All right, let's get down into the catacombs.
Excellent. Fine.
Another gold thingamajiggy. We got that. Let's see what this is.
Whoa, is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is.
Huge.
If you can
Oh
get
my
us
days, I
there,
just saw the
I'll
puzzle
be able to
again.
get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of... it's not important.
The goo! Right.
Let's go. Ratatouille. Damn, I miss all my boxes, bruh. I miss all my boxes.
Come on, almost there. Excuse us. Just drive through the
got it. You got it.
We made it.
Lovely.
Hey, it's the monks!
We found the rift to their dimension and came to seal it. If you
Damn.
hold them all.
We're on it!
I knew this was gonna be a boss fight. Oh my days.
You said it, pal! We gotta keep them away from the monks!
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist.
Okay, we did that. Keep going. Keep going.
You're right! The clicking is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me.
Let me take out my wand gun. Here we go.
Can't let the bone goons stop the monks!
Here we go.
Okay,
The big one is done.
Undead.
Now we need to go sort puzzles out again.
The rift
Let
is
me,
closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolts. We'll meet you down there. We did not see the Emperor on our way out. I am afraid he...
Here we go.
Do not
That was the first one, and it took me 30 minutes, bro. Get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Next one.
This knowledge. I feel like I am finally close to understanding everything.
Okay, I think I did the second puzzle. Second puzzle is done. Nope, that's not done. Okay. Thing left. There we go. Second puzzle, bro. Yo.
Oh, thank goodness.
Please tell me that was the last one.
This may be it.
Okay guys, I skipped it. That was too much, bruh. That was way too much. Yo, I've never struggled so much on one puzzle.
Ratchet, I
Did it! Hooray! Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4. Don't worry. I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories in Sword
Come on, kid. We gotta.
Run.
Run? This is our last chance to stop him.
Sorry.
It was you!
What are you doing here?
Damn.
Zordoom. Been a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here. The processing center should be just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be ending the episode here. Yeah, I'm just gonna be ending it because IRL bruh, I've been struggling with this puzzle thing and this has got to me, you know what I mean? But yeah, we will continue this game the next episode, and that's gonna end the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't give it a like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay safe.